still pick up this one.
This is better from the machine, so it don't overheat.
I don't even know if I should.
Well, my Outcast considered a 10 scale, ain't it?
Oh, that thing's a beast.
Oh, shot it.
Well done.
Oh shit, I knew that was gonna happen. Oh.
Perfect.
Infraction. Oh, yo, that skill right there. The heat. Yo, that thing is so smooth, man. Yeah, I got that one.
Perfect.
Almost seemed like it died on me. That thing.
Yo, check this out. X.
Yeah, that thing really stay down. Far in. Pretty cool. This is the 8S Outcast RTR EXB. Custom down. Yo, that shit look mean as hell. This is called Hellraiser. Oh, that thing is a beast, man.
Hope I got.
Think so. Hellraiser. You can't mess with the V8. You gonna beat me though, Chris. Stop showing off. I'm cheating. Whenever you're ready. I pulled off and y'all wanted to go over. Don't you blow them goddamn tires. This motherfucker.
At least only one person had to walk.
Guess that's not gonna work. Jesus Christ.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Probably gonna wind up blowing them tires. They only last leg anyway. And I recorded, right? I should have got it. I knew it was gonna happen. Messed the phone up. I'm gonna crash with these tires like that. You gonna hit me over?
Gotcha.
Knock me over. That'll work.
Hellraiser.
It's like it get weaker. Oh, damn. You got it? Yo, check out that wheelie bar. You got your mud guard right there. What is it, Pro Line? Yeah, Pro Line. Yo, this thing got a handle. Definitely check out the lights just in case y'all didn't see that. Got underglows. Yeah, let me do y'all show the underglows. You got spikes. Light right in the front. can't even keep straight no more. Yeah, the foam blew out. Oh damn, and the plug came out. I forgot about that sound. You know, I ain't rode my bike in a minute.
Right there, it's called the heavy bucket.
What? Oh, right.